In this video we will be talking about layout. So for that we will go to the layout option, and this is how the current layout of the theme. uh, so from here you can control the entire structure of your website. This is the search top. Okay, if we see our blog, so here at the top you can see the search option. So from here you can simply control if you want it to visible or not. So I will leave as it is. So I will simply click save, and below that there is an option for header. From here you can control, or you can change your header, or you can also give image for the header section. And yeah, there are see, it is a page list, top page list it will show. And there is also option for ads. If you get the AdSense approval, then you will simply need to copy the code for your ads, and here from edit option you can simply paste the code, and in your website the ads will be displayed. So from here you can use the AdSense codes or display your ads. And this is the, yeah, this is the page body. Here you can show your blog post, the featured post from, or you want to show them or edit how you can, or how much content you want to show them, show your visitors, and how many comments, everything you can control from here. You can even also control the location. And yeah, this is how you can control everything. So you can do according to your need, and after done the changes you need to simply click on save. So this is the footer section. So in the footer you can add your copyright. uh, After giving your copyrights you can simply click on the save. So, and here it is the gadget option. So if you click here, add gadgets, yeah, you can simply AdSense. For AdSense you can add the gadget, or for blog search, blog archives, page header, HTML and JavaScript, and different labels, links, texts. There are so many gadgets there here. So even the contact form also. So yeah, from here onwards you can choose whichever you want. So after giving, you can simply drag and drop their position, in which position you want your gadget should visible in the website. So if I, for example, if I drag this blog archives at the top, and after done the change, you need to simply click on save. So after saving it, here we will refresh and we will see if changes are done or not. So I will refresh, and the archive, okay. If I change the position and save, now label should be at the top. So currently it is saving, and yes, it is saved. Now again I will refresh and the label should be at the top, and yeah, it is changed. In this way you can control the structure of your website. Basically every theme has a different layout. So for current default theme, the layout is this way, but for another theme the layout should be in another format only. So but the basic things, all layout consist of this only. It will have header, footer, labels. It will also give option to add gadgets. So according to your need you can do the changes. Now here at the top you can see there are option called theme designer. Okay, so let's click here. Okay, from this option you can see the background. You can change the background image from here. You can change the theme color. So here I will select the screen, and here the text, the power by blocker, this option got changed their color. So if I click on that, see here, you can see the color has been changed. So I will select this color only. Okay, after done the change, you need to simply click on save. And here in the advanced option, okay, from here you can change the font, text of and color, text color of the theme. And below there is option for gadgets. So currently it is showing about me, and if we click on here, we there are option for blog archives and pages. So currently about me and blog archives we can see in our website, but pages we can't see. If we go up here, there is actually you can see there is no option for pages. So we will simply click on pages, and here I will enable it, and see here home option it is showing. So in this way you can show the pages in your theme, but currently it is not showing. Like yeah, in the previous video we have that created a contact us page and privacy policy page. Those things currently we can't see here. So in the next video we will be talking about the website navigation, and we will do some basic setting for that. So see you in the next video.